guys and namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is nothing but it is a body shop lip balm review. So I'm super excited to show this lip balm because this lip balm is my super favorite, and I know it is a little expensive side, but yeah, it's literally worth it. And I really wanted to review this product, and I was little super excited for this product also to showcase to you. And we have multiples of lip balm over the India. We have many kind of products, but this is a product which I really love it, and I'm going to review this product. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button, and even do not forget to click on the bell icon given there that you can get notified my new videos coming up. And yeah, let's start now the video. Packaging, the products come in a little transparent almost 10 ml of plastic bottle with a screw wheel open lid, and the product is in a deep like raspberry color. So the flavor of this Balm Lippy which I have taken, it is nothing but it is a raspberry. So they also have many other flavors, reddish color if you say, and it's a slight gracy in it. And the balm is little thicker side if you can see deeply inside it, and you can see also the empty bottle inside it because I've used a lot of it and it's going to get empty soon. I'm a little thick and creamy in consistency. I really feel it's a very travel friendly, it's a very cute packaging, and it's extremely, I think so, light in weight and fit right into the bag. I think so fit even we can just carry into a purse. The flavor if you're talking about, it's like a sweet fruit flavor and a smell and little on a beautiful skin, and it's a slightly red tint and it's lovely grease on the applicable, and it depends on the moisturizing on the lip. It's like at least stay for a longer time to 3 to 4 hours. It's not as sticky on the lip glossier side and not easily it's not too greasy either. Also work great under a matte lipstick to give them a great glossy lip finish. By itself it will give you a natural finish to the lip. Yes, I think so. The packaging, I think so, it got over. Let's talk about the pros of this product. And the pros of this product is like it moisturize and condition the lip properly, give a slight red tint, and travel friendly packaging, great price. The price of the product is 250. I know it's a little bit expensive compared to other lip balm, but it's worth it. And required very slight amount of the product, so I generally feel that finger application maybe it would be a bit unhygienic. So that's all for the video. Hope you like my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and till that time, bye. I'll see you in the next video.